because wena lapha ufahlakile mfethu khona abantu ebala ngaphandle who can even who don't have access to that kind of food. But
yabona mina ngiyayivuma ife ngane according to ukuthi inyuku yakho i-tax and wena na uthe mawuvota wena ukwazi ukuthi kimi awuthi ife ngoba uthe wena mawuvota according to the Constitutional Act amended ithi phela thina singama citizens siphila kanje shothi konke wena mawufaka ivote yakho uthi ife nokuthi sinisibosho senzeni isilala sidlile le accent lesingayiphila
no ukudla ungadla but why ube choosing ngathi use restaurant because at the end of the day kunabantu
nabantu
abalanga phandle
hayi lawo ama rights
umuntu akafahlakanga ugrand uphila lapha maramela hasile ukudlula wena ungaphakathi ublomile engukangile ukuze ubera and
laba sobise uthembulala be
things ama speculating so amakhosha
leyo bengifuna
we leave no stone unturned
sisupervision plus bazongithumela i-rehab mina the last previous conviction engaba nayo it was from 2008 ngagcina ngayo anginayo enye previous conviction eshuthi enama previous privilege ukuthi iopposer mina ukuthi hayi ngenza into so ayikho enye ngaphandle kwali nje mina ngibhekene nayo le mina ngibhekene nayo yimi nje manje uyayibona
le yaseBinoni to spend how many
le 4 months trial le lichithiwe icala la khona lelo it was 4 months trial
so manje ngoba ufahlaka ngayi and uvayile wayoganga eBinoni bakubopha la awusabi amajita ukuthi ijele elinye
yabona ijele ama ground rules wakhona into ewa akusu clever ukuziphatha nje kuphela uyabona nokuhamba neprocedure neprotocols yasejele uyabona uzazi ukuthi wena ubani ejele akuna clever noma ungabane nabo ube 26 ube 21 bani uyabona njengama ngeke mina ngizisho ukuthi mina ngiyini mina bayazi abangaziyo ukuthi ngiyini uyayibo angeke ngikhulume lapha akusu clever futhi nako lokho isho is the way to ama ground rules ophila kiyo you have to have that but mina anginayo imark ethi mina ngine number ngoba mina angithengisanga ngomoya wami number ngeke ngihlule umthetho wabazali bami ngizothatha omunye umthetho wenye indoda ngizobekezelela omunye umthetho engawazi ukuthi ubuya ngimangiceda futhi ngiphinde ngiphile ngale umthetho kube ngihlule wabazali bami hayi leyo buti wami yala angeke yenzeke into engekho futhi uyayibona but into ekhona nje ejele is only about discipline and respect cooperate ucope nje in a rightful way at the rightful manner you will find yourself serving your own sentence in a righteousness way at the righteousness time because there are many ways I want to buy a time to serve a time usekuya ngawo ukuthi wena keke ukhetha kanjani lo but sekumkuwe oba neobservation kule environment okiyo juthi kulama ground rules okiyo ukuthi hayi ama ground rules wala ekhaya akhuluma athi plus ama surrounding environment athi mina ngisejele kumele ngibheke kunama program ejele akhona yenzakala lawo ama program ilawa mina ekumele ngibe related through to wona ngibe ne relationship now just in stance of order to save my time nami ngithola ngiyangapha i-decision seyiphuma ku is one and the same nala ngaphandle ejele uyabona but the only different is key nje kuphela yabo but in mentality mawutshelile ukuthi hayi impilo la is part of life uba strong futhi uba broad and bolder and wise angifuni ukutshela manga abanye bangena emajele bangazazi but baphuma bazazi ukuthi bona bangabobani uyayibona
ngoba manje abanye mawufahlaka ngisho banokuthi basenokukutreat or bangagaya igawulo or benze
hayi yabona le
ukuthi bagene nje emqondweni wakho
something that kahle ngizokubekisela into straight it's a purely true lies yabona amanga seqinisweni kodwa wena leqiniso leli uyazenzela wena yabo ikhona lento abayishoyo emajele mina ngeke ngize ngikhulume ngoba angithandi mina ukukhuluma into engasiyona ebayenzayo bona mina engingayazi futhi angifuni ukuyazi ngoba noma ngisejela ngiyilandelile uyayibo so ejele ibhesuk yakhe isekhishini enye yilapha mabeza kuwe bazokuvisita nje kuphela uyayibo futhi wena nje mawu asethele rasuni yakhe le bhesuk yala bekishini nale naye ibuya kuvisit lapha into eziningi angeke zenzakala ezisnacks kuyo ejele nje ngizoyikhuluma mina ileyo okuningi okungale hayi akunako ke
manje ngikuzwa uthi uyazazi wena ukuthi ume kanjani when it comes to prison rules or when it comes to prison lifestyle yiphi lento le isho
le procedure in terms of procedure and protocols uyayibona ngisho khona nana ku terms of section act ye constitution ilena esithi thina esiphila ngayo manje yenza South Africa ibe country regenerate is because of the constitutional law that has been amended into the constitutional act ethi ama citizen azophila ngaphansi kwalomthetho lo uyabo so nawe yi protocols yakho ozenzela yona according to the act and in terms of the section act premises ozobe ukiyo ngoba inemithetho nama rules yabona via to that wena you have to obey those rules bese nawe uba nama principles rules wakaregada wena as your servant to serve you ukuthi ucede isikhathi sakho sekuphuma kuwe ke wena ukuthi is either lawo ma rules lawo yawa obey or yawa disobey and ama disobey ukukhumbula phela ukuthi ama precautions and ekugcineni nama repercussions sekuya nga ukuthi ke
uyilandela kanjani
which rider you on is it jet plane or first class or commercial ngazi wena ufuna ukugibela yini
so za choose
uzozikhethela
ukuthi wena ngoba ngibuza umention nendaba zokuthi wena mawufika ejele uyazichuzela igabulo lakho vele kunjalo
hayi leyo angisho ikhona na ku terms of constitutional act yelo nje ngoba ithi nala ngaphandle phela kumele sidle sithola bo doctor mahala kanjalo yabo according in terms of section act ile yethu angisho yama prison right wena mfethu uyayibona ukuthi mhlambe via to nutrition yasejele ama diets owadla ayiphathi kahle abanye banezifo i-steam course
but do you think it's fair because wena lapha ufahlakile mfethu khona abantu ebala ngaphandle who can even who don't have access to that kind of food but
yabona mina ngiyayivuma ife ngane according to ukuthi inyuku yakho i-tax and wena na uthe mawuvota wena ukwazi ukuthi kimi awuthi ife ngoba uthe wena mawuvota according to the constitutional act amendethile ithi phela thina singama citizens siphila kanje should iyo konke wena mawufaka ivote yakho uthi ife nokuthi esinye isibosho senzeni isilala sidlile le accent esingayiphiki
no ukudla ungadla but why ube choose ngathi use restaurant because at the end of the day kunabantu
nabantu
abalanga phandle
hayi lawo ama rights
umuntu akafahlakanga ugrand uphila lapha maramela hasile ukudlula wena ungaphakathi ublomile and ugangile ukuzubera and you've been treated better than this person
phela uyabona mawule phakathi i-facility kokucala and leyo facility ithi ye-government uyayibona number 2 ithi konke wena mele phela i-produce ikunikeze i-product ikunikeze lento wena le uyifuna leyo neyikhipha izi product shuthi wena kahle you are the golden people of the government wena uyi-treasure uyabona masikhuluma ngade golden people esikhuluma phela ngathose who are inside in prison yabona abantu begolide labo ngithi negolide mina ethenke eKentucky United States of America eFort Knox alibalwa ngalendlela umuntu abalwa ngayo uyayibona leyo nto leyo we are the most precious people mawusejele yabona you government's treasure phela uma ngithi cabanga nje masikhuluma nge-total yama inmates for a day the whole wild South Africa provincial 9 province nje iyonke uma ucabanga ukuthi each and every province it has to count an inmate and to find a totally that
every
element uyangithola to go to the national commissioner ukuthi thina today is we as a correctional service
and the correspond every time
each and every day ucabanga is one and the same like you are counting each rent muso I love phela le yabo i-minister correctional service ayidinga njengoba nawe namuhla i-JSE current singeke izilove for ukuhwebelana imali so i-system
khona iboshwa ezithi maziphuma la ngaphandle zibona impilo inzima bese zicolela ukuthi zibuyele ngaphakathi
yabona lokho wena awuthami ngiyakuvuma ngiphinde ngakuvuma yabo ngoba ngumuntu mina ongathanda ukuphikisa and omunye umuntu angimphikisa but uclever mara ubdomo kubalazi angazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini but nami ngeke ngimsole lo muntu lo yabo kwesinye isikhathi situation ukuthi wahamba ngo1972 or wahamba ngo1988 mawuye ekhaya sekuyiziphi awunandayo and the only best way phela inabantu ejele abaphilayo kunama super ejele ubona ukuthi hayi leli super la sejele and yazi umuntu ongana next angapha net ukuthi une patient phela ejele ama une patient ya survive uvuka ngearcher ejele mhlawumbe ngokuthengisa iarcher kwazi bani ugcina wena sone local rengako nama20 abanye bayibona kuyi life ukuvula ama local unama peanut butter nani yebo usuthe kuya ngakuthi wena sokhethile kuba i-jail base but mina ngiyibone kuyimpilo okay yena ngibona ukuhlakanipha kokusurvive uyayibona so akusukuhlakanipha ukuthi uphinde ubuyele ejele ngoba wena ngaphandle mhlambe kunezinto ongakhona ukuba nazo ama access now phela la ngaphandle maningi kabi uyangithola wena uthi kunama institution ongayakiyo namanje yokhala kunama social worker mfethu ongawubeka inkinga ngazo social service uchaze ukuthi wena unenkinga yani yabo nje maningi ama institution ongayakiyo uma umuntu ucakekile mfethu yabo so ngasho ukuthi sometimes ukuba na this common mind common sense ukuthi usebenzise umqondo but anginako ukuzisola for loyo muntu lo and anginako ukumblame ngoba ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uyenziwa yini njengoba nami ngime ngikhuluma nawe la omunye angeke azi ukuthi ngenziwa yini ukuze ngipodcast mina kimi it's a healing
Crenshaw.
uyayibona
Yeah.
sasinceda omunye umuntu and kimi it's a gateway to another opportunity. You might never know for elami side, because I believe good one day there are those who could come with their only fully belted hands. Good time, man. Let me grab you. Let us do this.
Yeah.
I've seen one good you have this capacity and you are so accountable of doing this, accounting into this point and that. I could show good man. No, you've got this positiveness. One every it in faith. We are born. I'm just I did just move on.
Strive, yeah.
We are born. So drive is not about to go to the student. A student so one a body ling. It's in izazi. Phela mangithi izazi ngisho abantu abakhaliphile abahlakaniphile abane observation ukuthi hayi le yakwazi ukujika ihleli student sikubone nje ngebody stand yakho ukuthi hayi lo mangamthatha ngithi makajive ngibona ngale uyahlele ngakhona yabo izazi lezo uyayibona leyo nto.
So manje how do you get your next feat as we speak now?
Uyabona mina njengamanje yami next fit ithi vele mangicetha la wena prior ayikenye ithi directly to khona is either that I pickpocket or angazi ngenzani. Okay, nange manipulation style ngiblind, I know how to hypnotize people's mind hybridly but akusinto engithandayo yebo, but mina ngizoba honest ngoba ngisomuntu okhuluma mangende kuloko futhi angichomi or ukuthi ngiyachwenza or into engibekela high class phambili yabo i-addiction engiyo into yokuqala i-first priority kimi ukuthi ngiyophanda. I'm sorry wena onenhliziyo ebuhlungu uzwayo ubona ngaze ngathi mina ngiyazichaza kulo engikhuluma ngaba ngizichaza just ukuthi sekuyindlela vele ukuthi kumele ngikwenze ngikuthole lo uyabona or else mawufuna ukuyongibona ematipeni nama ngizithanda ngingcolile uyayibona ngadi ngi-edit ngiyazama ukuthi ngigeza nyana kodwa nami mangizibona nyale ematipeni ngibona ngaze ngathi hayi sengiyamkelekile empilweni ukuthi vele sengiphila le mpilo le uyayibona mara le ukuthi ngivuke ngigeza nyana ngenza inginikeza this hope ukuthi hayi man ngisho ukuthi hayi one thing izochinja ngoba ezinye zezinto ezenziwa ngabanye abantu nami ngiyasenza yebo but okuyinzondo ke yiloko engikuzondayo engikwenzayo mina manje ayikona ngikuthanda sekuyisimo nje ebengithanda ukusho yilo okuningi anginawo.
So maba ngathi uthola ichance no you stop smoking yini or maybe if ever azange konkawuze bufisa ukuba yini leveni mfethu?
Yabona mina awuthi engiyikhuluma I don't believe in gift yabona angisumuntu obelievela kuma gift ngumuntu obelievela ukuthi noma yini uma umuntu yakhona ukuyenzakala yabona shuthi mina I'm a man of commitment plus 2 I'm a man of faith. Mina noma yini ngayenza yebo ngoba nasesigelebe ngifuna nabo bayazi abanye bebakopada kimi nginyanya khona ukuact ngikhona ukwenza yonke into khona ukuimitate voice. Mina mangifuna ngiyaphenduka uMandela ngikhulume nje ngoMandela yabo. Mina mangifuna nyakhona ukwenza noma ngaba yini engifuna ukuyenza ngiyenza.
Awusiringele nje ngoMandela.
Yeah, hayi angizoyibamba so nje ngicale ngithi my fellow people from South Africa, I've been talking to those who wanted to know my life before that. I've assertedly something that is very importantly. I wanted to tell you today that the lifestyle that we are living is not in the matter of our choice, but it's in the matter of the sustenance that we are smoking. But all the way that I was thinking and trying to prevent to my brothers and sisters, stay away from drugs. Hayi ukuthi noma ngabe akusukuthi mhlambe or ngizenza ngathi ngihlakaniphile uyayibona into nami engizamayi angisho bathi practice make perfect uyayibona. So angibelieve ku gift mina ngithi bathi yini nobana ngibelieve kwenzeni mina.
So already sezwakela
already alisamile ngedolo lisathandaza.
So uyalicava elikedag na
hayi kona imfethu umuntu engahlali naye nompho ubonile ekseni makafika noka unthole vele nginokout already lami lisenatala
alikho like us.
Lisipana la iPetra the first bell.
So like us uploma u1 or
hayi lana usesteri nentwana yami nabo umshana ayifeda ayikumnandi endlini ayikumnandi. Lazuma ulida akekho yena akekho umuntu okhuza ngizikhuza mina vele ngoba hayi ngiyabona ukuthi nami kumele ngibe ubaba ngibe ubhuti hayi wrong yona endlini angiyenza hayi angisilezi ishama on goal mina yebo hayi on goal hayi angilenzi vele.
So because now siyabona khona like those march thing Nigerians selling drugs maningi ama show abakhona trying to stop ama Nigeria ukuthi athengise drugs. So what's your take on that?
Yabona mina I will assuredly said something that is very mostly important when it comes into this a matter of a point of view. When I'm fit to you have assuredly said now I'll be more seriously. This thing is not only about Nigeria. Let us be fair and quite frankly fair of it. Our government is dirty, first of all. And the main part of effect that we have to fix in South Africa, our borderlines. Number 2, comes into security. Yabo. Number 3, Department of Police and Service. Yabona net lapho nje kuphela. Ama-Nigeria now are part of people that who are trying to migrant and to survive now. Ngoba babizi umuntu azothengisa ama-drugs and abekho umuntu abam-spin food ama-drugs ngenkani uyayibona njengazi ngasho ukuthi manje kunama-money laundering kuna this thing there bayibiza ngokuthi bheka ngekhohlwa this name uyangithola wena mfethu is money laundering ama-child kidnappings ama-heist the only people uyangithola who are pressuring and putting hands and typicize those crimes to be committed to each and every daily as a daily result is the government itself. Njengokukhetha Matlala manje uyambona enza ama-admission of guilty nani bekakhipha bobani i-government imonopoly yabo Madlanga's commission na iyaqala iyaphela manje le Madlanga's commission uyangishibonile bayibekela ama-month sebayinikeza bheka njengoba part of i-monopoly public seat ba-publicize abakhohlisa i-inconvenience nomphakathi phela i-government i-political stand yi-media bheka manje yenzani ukhetha Matlala uyabona ukuthi okay proceeding time yama-court proceedings ithi iqala kumele lihambe isikhathi esingakalifike liphele uyenzeni uliphushe nge-trial solokwabhiza akhuluma manga kufa abantu yangithola sekabona ukuthi okay proceeding time iyaphela i-government ivela nale monopoly yegame edlalayo ithi okay i-publicity i-political stand ithi thina kumele sivinge ukuthi imali yenzeni iphelile okay ama-citizen sewa-addressekile ukuthi bebasekabhekile kumile ukuthi ukhetha Matlala uyahamba bheka ukhetha Matlala ubathini bathi hayi i-constitution i-act lento le labantu abayazi lo wena uyenze admission of guilty moyenze admission of guilty uvume icala thina siyagweba masigweba la amacala ayaphela i-Madlanga's commission yaphela i-Madlanga's commission mayiphelile bonke labantu ebeka ba-confessa phela ukhetha Matlala iyothini i-court iyothi thina sinibonani necala but sesingakanitholanga icala kahle ithi i-court izonibiza inibophe kabusha ngoba lo phela sekenzile admission of guilty makasekenzile admission of guilty yini into i-court i-part of monopoly government uyayibona into engekho umdlalo nje ingakho ngitshela nkela ukuthi mina into enje angiyibukeli
ya vele
uyayibona i-system sayazi phela thina i-system ukuthi manje sisebagijima ama-proceeding timelines anama-court proceedings anama-court acts in terms of the section act okay in terms of the section act evidentially evidence if ingakulinki wena yenza kanje uyabona bazothi court dismiss okay la bazo-agent icala la wena bazokufa phela ukhetha Matlala it's nothing but just hunky dory lesigweba bamnikeza sona i-8 years abantu akangaka bafila uyakahle uphi uZuma neMatlala nezondos commission beka usiphatha kiphelele ngoba iphela umthetho we-government kahle umthetho we-constitutional act ne-criminal law uthi there will be no case that is under investigation for in a such of a period of a time whether that is could be 4 years or 5 years amacala kaZuma it approximately to 7 years so iwuphi nomthetho lo according to the proceeding court ne-proceeding act of the court of criminal act yama constitution acts and criminal laws ethi iqala kumele lithathe more than 5 years imuphi lo mthetho nami lo angiyenzanga but understand mangawabuza bazokutshela ukuthi hayi nasokunakulo amendanga le into engekho imonopoly lento le
kudlalwa ngathi
sebenzisa imida nje kuphela uyayibona indaba zabo ukhetha Matlala nana kumanje uyohlala ejele abuya avele ngama-medical parole or athi uyagula or ayenza ama-program wasejele ahlale 2 years bamkhiphe ngeparole and kuleyo 8 years makafika i-correctional service yamtshela bahlanya nabagwebe 8 years thina siyijele sifuna 4 years la kule 4 years wona kumele usave 2 years uma uziphatha kahle le 2 years de iyoba i-provision parole isikuphi thina lapho kulahleka imali engakanani
look back at izinto zabo Thabo Bester same story
one and the same story uThabo Mbeka nabe uBester bekuyi-public media atrenda uphi itholile indaba yakhona bayihlatshele phansi ungasikudala nabo umshanga is one and the same nale yakaPitorus wabona naPitorus yabamnikeza isigwebo esinjalo phela you can't kill someone inside of your premises knowing that the same very person that you are living with him in a daily bed udla naye ulala naye ebedeni mawuqeda uzothi wena it was an intruder several okay lamashota several times owashayayo ulo muntu uyascreama the same voice that you have heard on your ears
almost every day
what it took the intentions on the ground rules ukuthi hayi man this voice is similar to my wife but you keep on shooting into engekho phela le iyona lena ngisho government eyenza manje uyabona izodlala ngathi sinikeza ama-drugs ibulala thina imcondo yethu phela le hypnosis enye nje le abasinikeza yona thina indlela abasilence ngayo abantu abafana nathi le
because ile nto le bengisayisho ukuthi check i-match and match ukuthi kuphuma abantu
abangakanani
and imagine ukuthi if ever la Mzansi bekana drugs besiyolwa kangakanani
uyangithola and nayo le match and match is a part of i-monopoly ye-government loya muntu lo busy ne-match and match ufront yowanikeza imali uyangithola yazi ukuthi maye bebasemfrontelana ukunyakazisa ukuthi manje amavoti ayeza kahle le yimpi balwa ne-ANC isincebe yabo uya ukuthi akwenzeke 1 and 2 and 3 bese sithini iANC ayikho into eyisebenzayo sekuyaqala manje kuzocampaign kuzovunywa ama-part ama-factor ama-point ukuthi yabona abantu baqala ama-march and march la uyibone khona ukuthi i-monopoly bathi maku-march and march kungekho umuntu ogcoka ama-masheto ama-oppositing party uyangithola so iyible nhlangano le ye-march and march ngoba phela i-South Africa yonke ezikhanti kumele kube nenhlangano angisho front line yona inikeza wena this procedure and protocols and rules that are invalid for you to do something so as authorization ukuthi no thina lo muntu lo we access him an authority to be authorized to do such a thing and we are the main part of what of this plan uyangithola so imuphi umuntu protectelo yamuntu lo
asazi abantu ba
ismafia yibabozuma iMK uyangithola iya-oppose manje ilwa ne-ANC indlela zayo angisho bathi uZulu makahlangana iqale kuphi eNatal le i-monopoly futhi
so manje Brian Khosingeza umcondo wakho ukhona and ubhaya when it comes to igazi la iphola yini into engachuniwa ukuze i-drugs lingabi ibhaya because yabona ingcosi zanokho singize omunye mangithi la igazi ngathi ingcosi asabhema inyawo but hayi
crystal meth
so singenza kanjani to prevent that
yabona the only way to prevent Brian ukuthi manje mele campaign nje into yokucala sihamba igele yabona siyekela ukufihla lento ngoba mina ngiyasho ukuthi lento le umakhelwane wakho lento i-strat zakho la unyathela khona unyathela yona uyayibona sihamba isigele senza ama-drug prevention sithole abantu mfethu nama-outabhemana mazi wama-example so batshela ukuthi mfethu la namuhla sihamba nawe sikufuna ungcole kanje uyobatshela labantwana ukuthi wena udla yiphi into ungasabi futhi uyayibona kuze nabo babone shoot lento manje kumele kukhulunywe ngayo somphakathi ehlangana asiyasidla abantu abathengisa ama-drugs uyayibona into eyenza ukuthi umuntu kuzabe right asilwe thina nathi sisodwa ngathina esiphila lempilo sihlanganise lethi ngoba ukula nabantu abathengisa ama-drugs noma singabaxoshe kwi-bank ayatholakala namafoni sewakhona angazi sebawa order lama-drugs angazi kanjani so ilento lo ngisho ukuthi mina makube nama-awareness campaign kube campaign esenza ama-program senze different types of physical uyangithola kube nama-program esiwaplanayo abangama-planning design ukuthi okay manje sesidesigner into enje vathu kuma-sports and recreations and facilities nawo ama-ground afile akucace la elokishini ama-tennis court izinto eziningi nje kumele ngabe siyazicala ezosho ukuthi ezo-prevent ezenza abantwana ukuthi mani bangazitholi basema-drugsini okay nyawabona ama-wifi nama-hotspot this thing is only to downflash people's mind ngizonda kabi ngoba labantwana mangathi uyakibo manje babawesi babukela i-TikTok cabanga umuntu is busy with someone that doesn't know him ukuthi who the heck a fuck is he mangambuza umuntu manje ukuthi could you just please claim your ancestors claim akwazi nokuyithakazelela yena lo muntu lo mara uyakwazi ukuthakazelela uLili Wayne i-rhyme lakhe uyayibona iyona le TikTok le yenzani ya downgrade brain flash izingqondo zabo uyangithola umuntu mangathi okay awungibhalele something that is very important uyenze nje i-curriculum vitation or nayi bhala i-memorandum wena mfethu you will struggle and strive uyazi ubona ngaze ngathi mhlambe i-dead row or umfaka kuma-head lo muntu lo uyobhala lesi TikTok sakhe nalesi WhatsApp sakhe uyayibona leyo nto le so izinto kumele sizi-address i-government is-blame flash engazo lezi so nalama 350 kumanje ugcinene nona bathi kuba nemashe ukuthi i-youth yakhala ukuthi okay ama sports and facilities development ama skills development uyayithola into akusekho umuntu address into ezinjengalezo la elokishini manje kulama 350 i-monopoly ngisho manje brain fashion umcondo wakho ukuthi ungenze into le wena wayifunayo basifakela ama-wifi manje brain fashion ingcondo zabantu manje umbhona mangathi ngiyambuza ukuthi ubani youth president yakhala elokishini wazi ubani umaziyo
nama ngicavile
ubani ungasukeli ngithi youth president yakho ungasoloku ungabazi uhesitate asesequiet yebo uyangibasela indaba ngiseqinisweni phela akamazi
iyavela kahle
nama ngimazi
nama ngimcala
because was address iphela la ilokushini na address amanzi nje ayahamba sitsheliyo bamone bawathatha ama reserve
umuntu sekenza into ubheka ipokota akasenzeli
ukuthi
phakamisa
yayibona leyo nto le kumanje office kunini lisha iparty of monopoly liyaphula uyayibona ihola uthola ithenda bese kuyathengwana nje umdlalo ongekho uyayibona into eziningi nje senza le ndawo le lapha eoffice bekuyindawo ye-youth and development bekuyi-Candy Smash Park le masingabuza ukuthi nemali le eyalapha eoffice ukuthi lela holo lelangene phela kunemali kucala ye-site angisho
phela selide
infrastructure ndoda uyangithola imali ye-infrastructure and construction management ye-site construction eyale development building babayisaphi yona ngoba kumele kuphume imali ye-site ithenga wathathiwa phela i-site le-youth development ye-Candy Smash Park ziningi nje into ezenzakalayo like asithulile kumanje nayo iva police station ngale kwaphuma imali kwakhiwa igrana basukela le tennis court le okay noma bese indala at least bekuyindawo esingakhona ibo ukuthi hayi sazoncenga bayibhidlizile imali lento eselela lapha yini it's nothing but crash lo muntu imali yakho noma ngathi uyabuziye bangakuthengela nama hitman uyangithola kunabo gogo kunabo mkhulu nabo mamncane kumele ngabe ba address abatshele izinto ezinjalo baba ama front line bahamba phambili babuyele emuva basolo babhizi basitshela ngamanyawubi batshela ngama crystal nokuthi yibo ngabe bayaqala manje lola lezi zinto ezinjengalezi ilokishi lizo development phela thina la ikasi ngabe asilambi sarando is mine ngapana ngaba angifuna ukutshela ngani ufuna isigele development skills in fact man is
acting
in fact ngiyazi jo I could count as I could count extractor to extractor jo mine is nothing but just only to sponsors fana nokuthi uthenga i-item lokudlala nje ubona neseminar lento lela abantu bagijima ngama GT6 le imayini le uyohlulwa yini lo muntu ukuthenga lamatwana ama-cox okudlala ibhola abafazi ama-chelsea
ayisekho right
thina sikhule kunjalo phela bathi sikhule edlala ama-boxing thina mfethu le bokhuthala le siyodlala lena bo-velg kantini kuyojiva kuyenziwani yangithola wena phela akusekho uma ngabuza ukuthi manje nje ku-youth league ubani ophethe i-sports and recreations and facilities arts phela kumele kube nomuntu in position for imali zama-budget mayifika phela kunemali ebudget efika each and every year yelokishi ye-sports and recreations and facilities kunemali ebudget eyama-diet and nutritional fields for labantwana laba abahluphekile nani yangithola wana prime abanye aba-disable nani lezo zimali hayi ukuthi asazi ukuthi ziyangena azi-addresswa uyangithola ikasi phela kunemali ye-national ne-treasure i-community treasure imali ekhona emele ihlala ingena each and every year la ekasi lethu uyangithola ababozibulo bayasifanza kumanje ibheka kuphumelele le Candy Smash Park le mangabuza ukuthi registration number registration board number yale tender lele iba azange balifanga ngoba baza ngisho uzogugula uwazi ukuthi le Candy Smash Park lela mangathi uthi phela ufuna le registration board number le ucheck ukuthi le park le lapha ikhiphe imali le ya company lo muntu oyenzele la tender le imali ababeka ama-board anjalo and ama-board anjalo ama certificate board ekumele wabeke before kwenziwa i project like us umuntu ahamba yosebenza ngithule ngimbukele ngigoqa izandla ngithi awubheke lo muntu lo uyacabanga kahle ngoba le registration number le project board le ithi wena mangabe uyilabor ikhiphe ini minimum salary payment yakho per month umuntu obeka istina uthola imali engayo yangithola wana booking egcineni ba downgrade athina abantu bemicondo enjalo basasazela bathengisa amanye paper spade emuva basifale namphela kumanje umcondo wami ngiyazazi I know I'm wisely brought intelligently inquisitive rapidly fastly enough ngiyaflow amasengifuna but ngiya downgrade kancane yabona mentally wena how to ngiya downgrade should no man nokuzwa nje ukuthi sometimes even if although that I could speak man no my English is not influentially fluent anymore
exactly
it's because of the companion that I have to accompany myself with there are non good companion that I have to accompany myself with so yini mina into engizohlakana ngiyoba yini
it's like uhambe uyothola i-diploma or i-degree
uhlale namantswele wena uyigundwane yabona manje
ceda abantu ufundisa ugrade 1
yayibona ithwala nesame
nto isikhathi umqondo uyadala
ngiya downgrade awuthi ngiya downgrade ama-ref angafuni ukukutshela manga uyangithola it's not about ama-orthodox ama-qualifications and what ma umuntu i-Pandora box phela yilento le la inhloko abaningi khala ngibatshela ukuthi monopho i-Pandora box nayo la inhloko yakho ayikho enye into oyifuna ngaphandle ukuthi wena unlock wena le Pandora box yakho wena uzozibona ukuthi wena what are you capable of mina ngiyazazi le yami kahle yasipana i-Pandora le i-CPU le yasebenza uyayibo but mangihlala nabantu aba-downgrade nami ngiba-downgrade ngoba mostly mangikhuluma bathini hayi unamanga wena mangithi ngiyabheka ukuthi man these are the people are non-good companion that I have to compare myself with uyayibona and sometimes it's so very powerful and authentically ukuhlala nabantu abanjengalabo because now you become the same
ufane nabo mentally
roots rotten potato pangas.
So Godin, for in closing, I don't know what you question for Umchita.
Yeah, Godin, anyalfunela confetti. Nyashisa ngisipe. Yangicherire ngathi ngiphathi cloud. Ngithunderstorm lightning. Oh, zuthi. Nyakukuthe. Uso uyangisabu yazi.
No, msizwani.
Uyazi asobamba indaye.
What words of advice can you give to our parents ehlala nabantwana abankawuzayo or nabantwana ebasese ku stage sokuthi bangakawuza at any given time?
Uyabona mina the word of advice that I could tell and to tell my local uyabona and also to tell the country people mina the only way bafethu is for you to pray uyabona umama athandaza and have a hope umntwana wakho ungamlahli. Number 2, wena obonayo ukuthi lento ngathi la istradini sakho awungayizondi lento la istradini sakhe ePermanent awuyithathe ifake endlini thathe lo mntwana wakho ombonayo ukuthi ngathi uzoba yilento uthi awutshele lento le ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalento uyayibona leyo nto le. That's the only very best way thina mina nje manje engathi singayiprevent asibazali asingazweli abantwana bethu kodwa asizweleni thina sibazali nabaseduzane kwethu ngoba mawufuna ukuzwela umntwana wakho ayikho into ezolunga mara mawuzozwela umuntu wase next door umntwana wakho uzoshayiwa uvalo ukuthi kanti umama wayahlala azwela lo muntu obhemenyewe bese uyabuza umntwana mama kantwana wayi bani athi yazi umntwana mangibheka yena ngikhale inyembezi ukuthi kusasa mangaba so wena mina ngingeke emhlabeni le izoshaya umntwana wakho kabili kathathu umbuzo loyo uyayibo so nawe awuzibuze ufuna ukuzibuza mama uyiko nawe baba nawe bhuti ukuthi mina ngilento le eyimi manje ekhulumayo mangabe uyangizwa ukuthi hayi ngimnandi ngiyaflow uzibuze ukuthi mayingatshintsha lento eyimi lo ongakatshintshanga yena mina ngizomenzana uyayibona lo mntwana wakho umbona ngathi uzoba ilento le ezoba ilento eyimi mina lesi ezotshintsha manje zibuze ukuthi mina ngizomenzana makaqala ukuba ile nto le ngizomnikeza lo uyena angeke azabe yiko uyayibo so asenze namaqiniso nje kuphela somphakathi into engikhuphula mina uthando nomthandazo ayikho endlula leyo.
Thank you uyayibo. Yeah, sure guys, this is it bafethu usizwe ubekile udaba lakhe mfethu because like the way he's speaking mfethu is like let's take drugs away Machita or maybe whoever was watching this, let's take drugs away usizwe and start a message because usizwe uringa ukudlula abantu ababhaya abahlali basoba or even more than me because the way I mean he's so informed mfethu nami kokunye unsurprisingly but anyway you know this podcast what is it about siphethe izinto ezikanje ke kasi amachita kusuka ukuthi mana ubona istradini nizitshela ukuthi amachita madlikidliki yini because umchita niyambona nani ukuthi is well equipped bafethu is well equipped so yeah. Next time, don't forget to tune in every Tuesday, Wolf 925. We're doing it like we're doing it for TV. The podcast that Arab podcasters watch. We are displaying in China with my future.
Yeah, that's local. That's local. It's lekker. It's lekker.
You're pushing your palm. You're pushing your palm. You're pulling your vibe.